So alright everyone, I hope that it appears so much well and everything is going just wonderful. So this is Payel for all of you going to make my another with you and just only for you. So everybody, you are most welcome on here. Please receive my heritage congratulations. And in this time I'm so much delighted because finally I'm standing on here. Yes. So just try to do subscribe my channel and just try to share this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family. That is really so much beneficial for me. Okay, yeah. So in this time I'm going to share with you my daily routine by which I'm closing my entire day. And it is really so much a pleasurable moment to me when I'm staying with my practicing. You know what? Yes. And every day I have spent my age of times with one platform, and that is called Search English. And I hope that many of you are familiarized with this platform, is because it is a great platform. It is a magical platform from where I have improved a lot, and this time I'm standing in front of all of you, and that is only possible Search English. Yes, that's why I'm so much happy to be a member of that platform. If you have those kinds of leggings by which you are not still now able to speak, you are not still now able to write, that time you have to go on there. Yes, and you know what? That platform is completely cost-free platform. That platform is completely hassle-free platform. That's why I really would like to stay with that platform in every single day, and I'm habituated to practice on there with a regular basis. Oh my god. Yes, and if you go to my profile, then you can understand how much improved I am. Yes, I am really improved from last days, because after joining Search English, I continue my practicing in every single day with commenting, with making videos, with speaking videos, with writing posts, and every single day I try to write one post, minimum one post I deliver on there, and from there I have benefited. Yes, so that I don't stop that journey, and I'm so much happy nowadays, because right now I can speak, right now I can write, right now I can make speaking videos, even nowadays I can communicate with my nearest and dearest person, yes, over telephone, even live. Oh my god. Yes, and that's why, dear people, in this video I'm going to share with you. Please, if you have any problems, you can go on Search English without any cost, without any hassle. Okay, and every day I'm habituated to those such kinds of works, and after doing those kinds of works, besides I try to spend my time with the newspapers, with magazines, with English poetry books. Those things are really a great instructions of the founder of Rajiv Sir. Yes, Rajiv Sir. Yes. Are you familiarized with Rajiv Sir? Yes, many of you are familiarized, but don't worry, don't be concerned, because I am going to disclose this matter. Rajiv Sir is the founder of Search English, and he is really a person after my mind, and he's the best teacher of mine, and I'm so much happy to get such a teacher like Rajiv Sir. He's really a person of great mind. Yes, and so much a hardworking person, so that nowadays he can see his improvement by opening those platforms. Each of platforms are just gorgeous and magical to you, and you can be benefited from there. So that I spent my age of time on there, just for my improvement, just for enhancing my speaking, just for enhancing my writing, and those are really works a lot to me. And already you understand this matter, because this time I'm standing on here and just speaking spontaneously. Many of you have a little bit objections. That doesn't matter to me, because I know this matter. That is, when someone going to start a new journey, since that time many persons have lots of objections, and from my first time still now I have facing many problems, many objections from my nearest person, from my neighbors, from my relatives, each of persons, but I never bothering those kinds of persons. Please, আমি কখনো এইগুলোকে আমি কখনো প্রাধান্য দেই না because I want improvements. I want to grow my speaking, I want to grow my writing, and that is the main fact of me. তাই আমি আমার এই স্বপ্নগুলোকে আমি পূরণ করার জন্য আমি কোনো দিকেই ফোকাস করি না without my work, just my work, yes, only work. So dear people, in this video, আজকের এই ভিডিওতে I wanted to request you, if you want to get your improvement, firstly you have to believe your work. Yes, no, never give priority other person's speech, because every person's speeches are not so good to you, because all persons are not your well wishers. And nowadays I really understand this matter, because many person here to me অনেক মানুষ আমার পাশে আছে, but all persons mind are not same. Many persons are sick from their mind, many persons are well from their mind, and that's why they're providing lots of inspirational and motivational speeches for me. They always তারা সবসময় আমাকে অনুপ্রেরণামূলক কথা শোনায়, by which I'm inspired a lot. And just because of such kinds of inspiration of such English members, nowadays I can speak on here, and that is an authentic matter. Yes, so everybody, in this video I'm sharing with you my happiness moment. Yes, each of moments are happiness of mine, and now I'm so happy because finally I'm able to share with you these kinds of things. Yes, so now it's the turn of you, how you feeling at this time, and you can share with me your any kinds of opinions, your any kinds of thoughts, spontaneously without any hesitation, and I'm waiting for your answer, because I'm your beloved collaborator, and also anytime, anywhere you can share with me. And before going, I want to say once again, dear people, please subscribe my channel, please provide me your valuable informations, valuable suggestions, by which I can grow my channel, by which I can run my journey, because it is my new journey. You, all of you know this matter after watching my first video, isn't it? Yes. So I request to you, if you like this video, don't forget to drop one like, don't forget to share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe instantly. Okay, so take care, and be with Payel always with your great support, and just take care, and just cherish your practicing more and more. Goodbye.